Yeah, good afternoon, students. How are you all, ma? How did you write exam? Was the paper easy or not? Was it easy or not? Easy only, no? How many marks will you get? Yeah, type. Reply by typing. Easy. Very good. Muhammad, Likit, Ayan, Yasin. Veda. Very good. Full marks. Nitya, Rohan, Bala Anthony Reddy, Nitya, Salman, Ritvik, Venkat Pratap, Varun Sai. Very good, very good. Kartikeya. Good, very good. All wrote well, no? The paper was so easy, no? So easy. Very good. Good. Okay. You are having textbook with you, no? Now English is taught in the textbook itself, no? So in the textbook only money chapter, one topic left, no ma? Money chapter, page number 59, subtraction. Textbook page number 59. Textbook page number 59, money chapter. In exercise 2, I made you do additions already. No, we had done additions. Now, second Roman subtractions left. Okay, let us do now subtraction, second Roman. Are you ready? It's page number 59. Now we are going to do second Roman. Subtract the following subtractions. Yeah? Open the book faster now. Page number 59. Textbook page number 59. Exercise 2. First Roman, we had done already. Additions over. Now the second Roman. Subtractions, no? A, B, C, 3 sums are there. A, B, C. Page number 59, textbook. Okay, have you opened? We already learned subtractions, no, in term 1. Okay. Do you know how to do subtractions? Okay, let us do. Yeah, 3 ways are there. But we learned. Miss taught you. In which way? Okay, let us do. Rupees and paise. This is the symbol for. This is the symbol for rupee and paise. Now let us write the number 65 rupees, 50 paise. How will you read this? Tell me. 65 rupees. You also keep your finger there in the textbook and read 65 rupees, 50 paise. Okay? Are you reading? Next. What is the second number? 35 rupees. 35 rupees. 0 paise. 0 paise. Okay? Already the given money is set in both rupees and paise. See? Rupees and paise. Both are there. They are separated, you know, in different 2 columns. Rupee column and paise column. Okay. What we are doing? Subtraction. Minus symbol. What is the symbol for subtraction? Minus. This bit was given, no? Did you answer that in the exam? Symbol for subtraction is minus. Did you answer that? Okay. Minus is a symbol for subtraction. Okay, let us do this, Nana. Let us do this. How did you learn doing subtraction? Miss made you count like this, na? Close all fingers from down number to the number which is given above. Okay, you have learned that way, no? Okay, let us do. I will teach you 2 sums. The remaining sums you have to do. Okay, let us do, ma. Here, first we add which column? Rupee column or paise column? Paise column. Then we subtract paise column. Then we subtract rupee column. Okay, now let us do paise. Let us do paise. Okay, subtract. Let us subtract this. Okay, ones place and tens place. Ones place we subtract first. What are the digits in ones place, ma? 0, 0. Does 0 have any value? Does 0 have any value? No, nothing. 0, nothing. And another 0 has nothing. So nothing, nothing. The answer will be nothing only, 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. We know that. 0 doesn't have anything. No, nothing. Nothing. The answer is also nothing only. Right here with pencil. In the answer. Are you following? Okay. Now let us go to tens column. Tens place. In paise column. Tens place. What are the digits? 5, 0. 5, 0. 5. What we are doing? Subtracting. So minus symbol. You know what I am writing this side? You don't write in the textbook, Nana. For explanation, okay? I am writing this side. You don't write this, okay? 5 minus symbol. The next number is 0. You know what is the answer? What do you get there? You know properties of subtraction, no? Properties of subtraction. Miss taught. You got this in the exam also. Okay. Now what is the answer for this? 5. It has a value 5. So number 0. Nothing. Here nothing is there. Is there anything to be closed? No, nothing. So same 5 is the answer. We know this, no? 0 has no value. Nothing to be subtracted. So same 5 will be there in the answer. Got it? So 5 minus 0, 5. Why are you writing 5? Why are you bringing it down? Why? Because 0 has no value. Yeah, you can do in this way also. Miss made you count like this now. Miss made you count like this now. Close all fingers. You also close all fingers. Close all fingers. Okay. Start from here down. 0 is there. 0 is there. Okay. 0 after. Forward counting we are doing. 0 after till we get. How do you say? Till we get. Till we get. 0 after till we get 5. Till we get 5. The other number is 5, no? So 0. Start here. 0 after till we get 5. Okay. Let us do. Close all fingers. All fingers. You also do. 0 after till we get 5. Let us count. 0 after what comes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at your fingers, all of you. How many fingers are open? 5. So let us write 5 here. Yeah, you get the same answer. You can use property. You can use the property of subtraction. Or you can use the process. What Miss taught you. Okay, Anusha Miss taught subtraction. subtractions no in the first term. Okay, over. You need not draw this arrow marks. We already know that. Okay. Paise column subtraction is over. Now let us go to a rupee column. Okay, rupee column 2 digits. Numbers are there. Tens place, ones place. Now let us subtract ones place. Okay, 5, 5. This is also one property of subtraction. 5, 5. Same. The first number is 5. The next number is also 5. Same. We are subtracting same number. 5 is there. Subtracting the same number. 5 only. Now what is the answer? Do you know the answer? When you subtract a number from a number, you know, when we subtract a number from any number, you get 0. Got it? Subtracting minus same number, then you get 0. You know, let us do 0. When you subtract the number, same number from the given number, you get 0. Okay, let us do. This is property. Now let us do the process. How do you do this? Start from here and count forward. Okay? Close all fingers. Are you following? Close all fingers. 5 after till you get 5. 5 after till you get 5. What? 5, 5 same only, no? Okay. What do you get then? 0. Let us write 0. 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Are you doing? Next, Nana. Let us go to next place, means 10th place. 6, 3. 6, 3. 6 minus 3. You know how to do? In this way, you start from here and count forward till you get 6. Okay? Close all fingers. Close all fingers. You already know the process. You have done many sums in term 1. No, you can do. Close all fingers. 3. What is the number given down? 3. 3 after till you get 6. Till you get 6. Okay, 3 after 4, 5, 6. Okay, how many fingers are open? Look at your fingers. Look at your fingers. 3. Did you understand, ma? Close all fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. So the fingers opened is the answer. You have to look at your fingers. That is the answer. 3 fingers are open. So 3 is the answer. Now tell me, the answer in subtraction is called answer, which we get. This is called difference. This is called difference, no? You know, the blanks it is given. Difference. What is the difference? Difference amount, Nana? 30 rupees, 50 paise. Okay? Have you done this? Now let us do B. B, subtraction. Here also rupees and paise both are given. 75 rupees, 50 paise. The first amount which is given, 75 rupees, 50 paise. Now let us see the second amount. 35 rupees, 50 paise. What we need to do? Subtract. So symbol is minus. Let us do fast, Nana. Let us do fast. 0 0. Nothing. Nothing to be subtracted. So answer is also nothing. 0 minus 0, 0. Have you written that? Okay. Now, again, which property is this? Subtracting same number. 5 minus 5. 5, 5. Same number we are subtracting. So what do you get? 0. 5 minus 5. Property of subtraction. Subtracting same number. We get 0. So 0 paise. We got 0 paise. Now let us go to rupee column. Okay. Here 2-digit numbers are there. 75, 35. So let us subtract ones place. 5, 5. Here also which property? Subtraction of same number. Same number. 5, 5. Okay. What do you get? When you subtract 5 from 5, 5 from 5, what do you get? 0. Okay. Are you doing? Writing neatly in the textbook? Yeah, you will do. Let us go to 10th place, Nana. Yeah, this process we will do. Close all fingers. You also close all fingers. 3 is there. 3 after till we get 7. What you have to say? Till. What you have to say? Till we get. 3 after till we get 7. Okay, let us do that. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at your fingers. Look at your fingers. How many fingers are open? 4. You also got the same answer now, 4. So the difference of the amount is 40 rupees 0 paise. These are so easy now. Yeah, we are closing all fingers, starting from here and going up. Okay, we are using forward counting only to get this number. Okay. Next, Nana, sum C. One more is there now. The last one, C. Rupees paise. 77 rupees 50 paise. This is the first amount given. Next, 42 rupees 50 paise. Symbol minus subtraction symbol. Oh, these are so easy, ma. The same rules. 0, 0. What do you get? Nothing. 0 means nothing. Here also nothing. The answer will be also nothing only. 0 only. Do this. Are you writing in the textbook? Write neatly, ma. Now, 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5. Subtracting same number. 5 minus 5. So what do you get? According to the property, you get 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. Subtracting same number. 5 is subtracting 5 from 5. So you get 0. Okay. Have you done paise column? Now let us go to rupee column. Rupee column. We are doing C. C sum. Okay. Rupee column. How do you do? Arrow mark. You know, arrow mark, upward direction. Okay, 7 minus 2. Close all fingers. Close all fingers. 2 after till we get 7. 2 after till we get 7. 7 till we get 7. Do the answer. Close all fingers. 2 after. 2 after what comes? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You also do. Close all fingers and do. 2 after till you get 7. Do with your fingers. 2 after till you get 7. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at your fingers. You also look at your fingers. How many fingers are open? Did you get 5 fingers or not? 5. So let us write 5 here. Okay. 7 minus 2. We get 5. In the same way, let us subtract the digit in 10th place. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. Okay, start from 4 now. Close all fingers, 4 after. Close all fingers, all of you. Close your fingers. 4 after. Till you get what? 7. Till you get 7. Close all fingers. 4 after till you get 7. 4 after what comes? 5, 6, 7. Look at your fingers. How many fingers are open? You also count and look at your fingers down. Did you get 3 or not? 3 fingers are open now. So let us write 3 here. The answer is 35 rupees 0 paise. Have you done this? Please check your answers now. Are you writing neatly in the textbook or not? You will write neatly now. Okay. Let us do review exercise now. Now go to page 61. Page number 61. I am writing on the board. See page number 61. Review exercise. Review exercise. That is 4th Roman. Page number 61. We have 4th Roman. Subtract. Subtract. 4th Roman is there. Will you try this as homework? 3 sums are there. Will you try this as homework or not? Are you willing to do this? You can, no ma? So let us, did you open this page number 61? 4th Roman. 4th Roman, already additions I made you do. 4th Roman subtractions. Okay, here also A, B, C are there. A, B and C are there. 3 sums are there. Okay, A, homework. You also write on the top. Above the sum, write homework. B is also as homework do. A and B, 2 sums homework. Now, let us do C now here itself. 92 rupees 50 paise, 36 rupees 25 paise, okay ma? Page number 61, 4th Roman. In page number 61, 4th Roman. Second and third I already taught. Now here 3 sums we have. First 2 sums do as homework. Now let us do third sum now. Okay, these 2 homework. Let us do this. See. Are you ready? Okay. We are counting like this now. And here, before going to do subtraction, we need to check. We need to check now whether we can subtract or not. When can you subtract? When? Let us see, Nana. How is 0 to 5? 0 is smaller than 5, no? 0 is smaller than 5, no? Can you count? You are counting like this, no? 5 after till you get 0. Will you get 5 after 0? What do you get 5 after? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, no? Is it possible? What kind of subtraction is this? Will you get 5 after 0? No. What kind of subtraction is this? Borrowing subtraction. We need to borrow. We need to borrow. We cannot subtract. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. Why? Because nothing is there. Can we subtract 5 from 0? No, we cannot. Why? Because 0 is smaller than 5. We cannot subtract. It's a borrowing subtraction. Okay? Let us take 0 fingers. Can you subtract 5 from this? No, we cannot, no. So let us borrow. What is the next? Next number? 5 is there. So this 0 is going to borrow from 5. Okay? 0 is going to borrow from the next number. 5 is there. What is the next number here? 5 is there. Okay? Can 5 give 1? Yes. It gives 1. It can give. Next number is 5. 5 is there. This 0 is asking. This 0 is asking. I cannot subtract 5. So will you please help me by giving 1? This 5 says, okay, I have 5. No, I will give you 1. I will give you 1. Who accepted 5? 5 said, okay. I have 5. I can give 1. After giving, no, 5 is there. After giving 1, it becomes, the next number is 5. 5 accepted to give 1. So after giving 1, how many are there? 4. Only 4 are there. Borrowing subtraction. Okay, 5. Give 1. So it becomes 4. You are right on the top. To whom it is giving 1? To whom it is giving 1? To this 0. To this 0. So 1. 5 is there. Okay, 1 gives that side. Okay, it is given. 1 is given there. Then 4 left. Then what do you do? Same 0. 0 is there. Same 0 up. And you need to strike out this. Why? Because 5 changes as 4. 0 changes as 10. You know how to borrow now? When we cannot, this 0 as borrowing from 5. 5 said okay. Give from the side. And it becomes 4. 1 gives here. 5, no? It gives 1 here. The same 0 up. So 0 becomes 10. 5 becomes 4. Now you can do. Close all fingers. How will you do? Subtractions as usual. Close all fingers. 5 after till you get 10. You need not see 0. 0 is changed as 10. So 5 after till you get 10. Let us do fast. 5 after. 5 after. Close your fingers and say forward counting. 5 after. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at your fingers. How many fingers are open? Did you get the same 5 only now? Let us write 5 here. I will come. Next, Nana, let us do this. What are the two numbers? Will you see 5 or 4? Yeah, 5 is changed as 4. So don't see this 5. 4 we have to see. Okay? 2 after till you get 4. 2 after till you get 4. Close all fingers. This 2 after 3, 4. Are you doing? What did you get? How many fingers are open? 2 fingers. You know these subtractions you learned in term 1. You can do this. 2 after till you get 4. 3, 4. 2 fingers are open. Let us write here. Okay? Next. Rupee column. Let us go to rupee column. Yeah? Yeah. We need to check now whether we can subtract or not. Let us see. Let us see. How is 2 to 6, Nana? 2 is, we know that 2 is smaller than 6. You know, you have 2 chocolates only. Can you give 6? Can you give 6? You have 2 chocolates. Can you give 6 from them? No, we cannot. We have only 2. How can you give 6? Okay, we cannot. So this is also borrowing subtraction. Okay? How will you borrow? You have 2. You cannot give 6. So let us borrow. 2 is asking the next reason. 9 is there. 9 is there. 2 is asking 9. I cannot subtract 6 from me. I need your help. Then this 9 says, I have 9, no. I have 9, no. I will give you 1. 9 are there. Here 9 are there. It wants to give 1 here. Okay. 9 are there. Give on the side. Now how many left? 9 becomes. 9 are there. Give 1. You also give 1 close. 8 left. So 9 becomes 8. Why does 9 become 8, yeah? Why does it become 8? Why? Why? Because it is giving 1 here. It is giving 1 here. 9 are there. It wants to give 1 there. 1 to the next number. The before number 1. So it becomes 8. To whom does it give? To 1. To this number it is given. So same 2 is there. Let us write 2. 9 are there. It becomes 8. And 1 is given here. So same 2 here. 2 is there. Same 2 right up. 2 becomes 12. 9 becomes 8. So 12. You need not see 2. Don't see 2. You have to see 12. Okay? Close all fingers. Close all fingers. 6 after till you get 12. 6 after till you get 12. 6 after. Close your fingers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Have you counted? Look at your fingers. What did you get? Which number you got? 6 only, no? 6. In the same way, let us subtract here only. Three after till you get 8. Till you get 8. Let us close our fingers. 3 after till you get 8. You don't see 9. 9 is changed as 8. Okay? 3 after till you get 8. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at your fingers. Have you all got 5? Let us write 5 here. When you cannot give, you take borrowing, no? And we know this process, how to take borrowing from the next number. Okay, have you done this, Nana? See, do A and B as homework. Right? Homework. A, homework. B also homework. Okay? Okay, ma, now you have social class. Page number 61, these two sums you have to do.